Hey guys, this Sakyproral G5 electric toothbrush has been all over Amazon lately. The question is this a hidden gem or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's talk about it. So first of all, the Sakyproral G5 comes with a user manual, a travel case, the G5 Smart electric toothbrush handle, a charging cable, 2 brush heads, and of course the box. Now the brush itself has a nice, sleek, minimalist design, and it costs less than your last Uber Eats order, unless you just ordered a side salad. Anyway, it's under $40, and honestly, that's a really good price for an electric toothbrush with smart features. Right away, I have to say it cleans surprisingly well. We're talking up to 79,000 vibrations per minute, and you can really feel it. You can also toggle through a couple of different modes. They have the gentle mode, I'll just read them off to you. Beginner, whitening, oh, that's loud. Fast, gosh, you guys can like see how fast it moves, and massage. Anyway, you have options there. Again, I was pleasantly surprised with how slick my teeth felt after brushing with this brush. This definitely isn't one of those cheap brushes that just kind of buzzes and you hope for the best. In fact, you can see that the toothbrush is actually attached to a rod similar to leading Sonic toothbrush designs. And the battery, y'all, I've charged this once like 3 weeks ago and it's still going strong. In fact, the battery can last up to 150 days on one charge. This means I can easily travel with this toothbrush without having to pack a charger. Not that I travel much these days, but I could if I wanted to. Anyway, so far I'm loving the G5, but it's not perfect. Let's talk cons. So this brush has an AI coaching map that shows you which areas you've cleaned. Sounds pretty high tech, right? But I'll admit I was pretty confused at first. Sometimes it would tell me I missed my lower left quadrant, but I actually definitely brushed there. Turns out it's not literally detecting your teeth. It uses a built-in 6-axis gyroscope to track the brush head's movement and angles. So in a sense, it's reading your brushing motion, not your actual mouth. The coaching is based on an ideal brushing routine. So it actually breaks up your mouth into 6 sections, and you're supposed to brush them for 30 seconds each, spending about 8 to 10 seconds on each tooth surface. Now, I personally have always been used to brushing in 4 sections for a total of 2 minutes. This brush actually has a recommended timer of 3 minutes. You can still brush for 2 minutes and it will alert you when the 2 minutes have passed, but it feels like a lot of you guys are into brushing your teeth for a little bit longer. At least that's what I got from the comment sections of my videos. So I guess kind of a bonus with this brush, if you want to brush longer, it does have a 3-minute timer and you can focus on brushing your teeth in 6 sections. So anyway, if you don't follow that order exactly, the AI coaching map might look different than what you're actually doing in your mouth. But as long as you're actually brushing, it still gives pretty solid feedback. In fact, it's definitely encouraged me to brush longer just so I can clear all the red areas. Anyway, another con, and this is kind of a biggie, no pressure sensor, which means if you're a hard brusher, this brush won't actually warn you if you're brushing too hard. Now, that could be a deal breaker for some of you. For me, it really isn't because I know how hard or not hard to brush my teeth. But anyway, just a heads up on that. Okay, so just to recap. For the pros, it cleans surprisingly well, has a great price, and a long-lasting battery life. And for the cons, the AI brushing map is a little bit confusing for me, and there's no pressure sensor. So the question is, should you get it? Well, if you're on a budget and you want an electric toothbrush without all the fuss, I would say yes, this is a solid pick. But if you're techie and you want top-tier smart features like a Bluetooth app, or you're an avid brusher and you need a pressure sensor, you might want to skip out on this one and look for a different option. Let me know in the comments, guys. Would you try the Sakyproral G5? Or if you have already, let me know your thoughts down below. By the way, if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.